Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. You guys already know how this type of stuff work, but in case you are new here and you don't have a clue, and this is your first time seeing me on your screen, first of all, my name is Diamond Mind. Hello, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a video on this wig from RiRiHair. And it's definitely giving today, okay? It's definitely giving natural girl vibes. It's definitely giving, ooh girl, I like that look. It's definitely giving, ooh, it's giving you need it, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into it, and I'll be right back to talk about the review of this wig. First of all, this look I freaking love. I love this look, and like the more I continue to play around with the layers and just having fun with hair, the more I'm loving that. Girl, your layering game is getting better. Okay, so again, this wig is from RiRiHair. Let me see if I have their information real quick. Hold on. Okay, so this is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, which is a body wave texture. This is 14 inches. Density is 150%. Comes with a pre-plucked hairline, elastic band, And the lace is supposed to be a new and improved skin color, which I definitely have to agree. So this is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, so meaning you pretty much get lace from ear to ear with 6 inches of parting space, as you guys can see. The wig actually did come pre-plucked. The hairline actually was on the thinner side, and the lace, let me just tell you, be very, very careful with the lace because it is a very delicate, soft lace. Girl, let me tell you something. I had my, what is this? My hot comb way too high. Girl, it burnt the lace. Yes, part of the lace is burnt right here, but that's okay because it ended up being covered up. But definitely be careful because this lace is definitely a very soft, fine lace. Okay, so the knots did not come bleached on this wig, so you will have to go in and bleach the knots. Now again, because the lace is really soft and delicate, I will be very careful in the process of bleaching the knots just to make sure you don't over process it. It did not take long at all for the knots on this wig to start lifting. I would say within 10 minutes, which is super duper fast. So I definitely think this is a really good, cute wig, especially like the length and the texture is really good. If you are a girl who loves like this type of look, you will love this. But so yeah, I mean, like, that's really it. So everything that you need to know about this wig will be listed in the description bar. And if you want to go ahead and purchase this wig exactly how I received it, the direct link will be in the description bar as well. So thank you so much for watching.